if you've got a Bose remote control like this with a sound bar or any other kind of universal Bose remote control, and you're trying to get your Sky TV to pair up to this remote control, it's so difficult to do, couldn't find anywhere to do it. I've finally sussed it, and I'll show you how to do it. So this is showing you the remote control does actually work the Sky. Change the channels, do everything that the normal Sky remote control can do, plus control your sound bar and all the other bits. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so hold down the cable satellite button until all 6 lights flash, and then put this code in 3 0 1 3, then press the plus button and then the exit button. And if you follow that and those lights flash, you're on to a winner. Okay, but it must be 3 0 1 3. Okay, so press this one to test it, the cable satellite button, and away you go. Please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching.